Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Faizin. I am one of students in Literary Studies class, and today in this opportunity I would like to present you about my research proposal of literary research. Well, let's begin, shall we? Alright, let's start with the title. As you can see here, I wrote Marxism in August Wilson's The Piano Lessons, which means that my topic research would use Karl Marx theory and would discuss about the Marxist phenomena and its concern on the story I mentioned. Then let's move to the introduction or the background of the study. In this section, I will show you my paragraph, but I will just inform you what is the main idea is of it. Okay, in the first paragraph here, I wrote about previous related studies or researches that have the similar framework or theory or even the object analysis, and also with the underlining distinct focus at the end of it, which is that my topic is to analyze or examine the Marxism analysis on August Wilson's The Piano Lessons. Next, the second paragraph will talk about the relation of other researchers to the studies, alongside which research gap and argument. In this point, my research gap is that the object analysis have not been analyzed in the term of Marxism, and that since the literary work is categorized as a post-colonial work, a post-colonial literature, I would like to know whether the social condition is still the same on colonialism and post-colonialism. Further, the topic is about Marxism phenomena, Marxism alienation, and Marxist on socio-economic condition. Then the third paragraph will talk about the research topic in a more specific way. What I mean here is, in the paragraph, I would put an emphasis on the topic to make it more clear. Last, the fourth paragraph is simply a brief summary of the main points that I have mentioned before. Alright, now let's move to the research question, theory, and the objective of this research. As you can see here, I have two keys and objectives. The points are the same, so I will just tell you about my objectives. Okay, first, this research aims at describing the social condition portrayed in the August Wilson's The Piano Lessons. Second, this study is aimed at understanding the character's attitude toward the Marxist condition of the social classes portrayed in the play. Third, this study aims at understanding the Marxist condition of the social classes being operated by the bourgeoisie portrayed in the August Wilson's The Piano Lessons. Moreover, in order to examine this point analysis, I used the Karl Marx theory of Marxism as the appropriate approaches, particularly at the focus of the Marxism phenomena, the Marxist alienation, and the Marxist socio-economic condition on the story. Now let's talk about the research method. Since this study analyzed a literary work, therefore the study is categorized as a literary criticism. Furthermore, the data source of this research is August Wilson's famous play entitled The Piano Lessons that is published in 1987 in the form of mini-books, which has 108 pages in total. I also would apply a close reading technique as the way to understand the literary work deeply. Next, for the previous related studies, here I have mentioned 6 researchers that have a similarity in respective focus, such as the same object analysis like in these researchers, and then other researchers that have a similar theoretical framework, such as this one. And for your information, most of these researches are published recently. Lastly, for the references, here I used 12 references. All of them are academic sources, including books, journal, and of course, it is highly relevant and official. Alright, and that is all from my presentation. If you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you for your time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.